array so we saw how to dynamically store values, right? Say suppose an array you expect it can hold 50 values, but in reality most of the time all the array elements necessarily be the complete array size to be read. Okay, maximum is what I said. Say suppose, okay, let me give you an example. A course can have say maximum of 60 to 70 students, but an elective course, though there is a provision for 60 or 70 students to register for an elective course, say suppose there were only 15 or 20 students registered to it, right? In that case, what happens? To store that course marks, as a programmer might set it to 60 or 70, but how many students are registered in it? Only say 25. So in that case, the rest of the array elements are wasted, but still, how are we going to store elements in that is what I'm trying to tell you. So always have n, or size is what n will store. Okay, or if you're getting confused, let me have a variable size itself. So while you are reading the array elements, so prompt the user to enter the array size. So for that example, which I was speaking about elective course, you can ask the user to enter the number of students registered to the course. So that could be read and stored in your size variable, right? Size. Next, you will be asking the user to enter array elements. So in the example, you will be asking the user to enter the student marks. So now for I is equal to 0, obviously I should be declared here. I is equal to 0, I less than what? This is the new size of the array. So you're going to store how many elements? Only this size elements. It's not that 50 only. So whatever size you fix here, it doesn't mean that you have to read all of them. It will definitely vary. Okay. So I less than size, I plus plus, scanf, %d, ampersand, a of I. Right. So similarly, printf, if you have to print the array elements. So the array elements are so you give I is equal to 0. Again, I less than 50 I need to take, or size, because you have stored only these many elements in it, right? So sorry, printf %d /n a of I is what you store. So this is how you dynamically read and print the array elements based on the new size.